part of SIL. See,
It's
you are
part of the same
confusing.
technology.
Yeah. We
It is
didn't take
studied.
yeah.
This is studied.
No, this alarm we have not taken the seal. This alarm we have not taken as an
Yes,
IPL.
there, LSDH has been
This is-
analyzed in
This
the
is the step which analyzed during the cell.
Yes. This
No,
is analyzed.
no. 1 minute. This is a pre-alarm or it is a trip alarm.
No,
First-
LSAH is trip.
It is the
Trip
safe
alarm.
alarm, not pre-alarm.
It's a
So
trip.
It's just
not considered as
it
IPL.
is a, then if it is a trip alarm should be PSDH, right? Why become PSAH or LSAH?
Yeah, I think
Ms. Gu, this is a alarm.
No, that is I'm telling you whether it is a trip or is alarm. It is trip, right?
it's a trip.
Yes.
Same
trip,
value
what
as
is
the
it?
alarm.
Related
Just indicate, yes, trip related
You
alarm.
can go to PID and you
Yeah.
can notice that there are
Yeah,
two signal shown, but yeah.
Guys,
you can go to PID.
We need to understand whether this LSAH is alarm has been considered in SIL IPL. It is not a SIP. We are not discussing SIP. We need to consider whether this alarm has been considered as an IPL in the SIL.
No, we didn't take any alarm as IPL in this. Yes.
No.
Because it
It
is
is a
part of
trip,
the
right?
safe itself.
Chairman,
Yes.
this will not be considered as an IPL because this itself is the
It's a SIP.
Part of
Yes,
the
SIP function.
It's the SIP.
So that is I'm saying no. I'm saying no here because this is regarding alarm. But don't worry. But don't worry. Here we have a 2S. So it's valid alarm. It is valid alarm. We are qualifying whether this is valid or not valid. So this is valid alarm. No need to worry.
No. What is meant by SIL yes or no in your Excel sheet?
I mean,
SIL
whether
yes
this
means
is
no. Whether the alarm is part of the IPL, then should be mentioned yes.
Yes. Because we are discussing about the alarm, no?
Okay.
So,
What about the
this-
ASAP? Yes means no. Means it is part of
Yeah,
ASAP.
this has been considered in HAJO, LSAH. Yeah. So that is why
This
I
is a
mean,
part of safety guard in Hazop, right?
The safeguard and Hazard would
Yeah.
be deemed as a safeguard.
yes. Since this was the same transmitter, probably they might not have considered as an IPL. So no problem because we need only one yes to valid the valid.
No. We will understand the concept from Excel, Chairman. Okay. If it is ASAP, yes means. For example, there are some alarms considered on the ASAP.
This has been considered as a safeguard.
No. This alarm is considered or safeguard considered?
No. This alarm has been considered as a safeguard.
cannot be considered safeguard because this is already the SIP.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is SIP function. No. If it is ASAP, yes. Why become SIL? No.
Consideration for
No,
hazard.
HAJO was considered yes.
You Hazard
No,
would consider a
Chairman.
safeguard.
Yes.
Fix the concept here.
No,
Okay.
it is
There are three